Hi everyone, I'm Wai Kwai Chong, Publisher Development Manager at Facebook Audience Network. Welcome to our Facebook Game Developer Showcase series. Today there's a unique opportunity for publishers to monetize casual games. In 2018, the rise of hyper-casual games set the stage for the growth of casual games by shifting thousands of mobile game studios and developers to focus on in-game ads as their primary business model. According to App Annie's State of Mobile Game 2019 report, more and more people are spending time in casual mobile games, even those who do not identify as gamers. In fact, the average number of apps downloaded and played per person each month is around 2 to 5 games. Between 33 to 48% of those who do not self-identify as gamers spend more than an hour a day playing mobile games. This percentage was between 33 to 36% in Canada, UK, France, Germany, and Japan, but goes up to between 45 to 48% in the US, Brazil, and South Korea. Casual gamers also have an appetite for new game concepts, so it's relatively easy to acquire users at scale. Puzzle, arcade, and simulation games are the biggest categories for casual games, as we have seen according to industry blog The Constructor of Fun. Across the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK, more than 50% of people report playing puzzle games. In France, Germany, Brazil, Japan, and South Korea, it's over 40%. As for arcade, social casino games account for 15% of total casual genre downloads and are the highest in-app purchase revenue generator in the genre. And finally, according to App Annie's State of Mobile Games June 2019 report, adventure games saw growth of roughly 5 times the rate of games in general. When it comes to casual games, they've been shown to be a strong fit for ad monetization, as well as the hybrid model of ads and in-app purchase monetization. In his 2019 Worldwide Mobile and Handheld Games Forecast, IDC Gaming Research Director Louis Ward said, "If you are a developer or publisher with a casual-leaning design philosophy, and your organization isn't working on a more ad-centric roadmap, you should consider changing your approach immediately." So there's a global growth opportunity for publishers producing casual games. For instance, according to the same forecast, 70% of US gamers fit in the casual category. In early 2019, we commissioned research of game developers across the globe who had direct decision-making into the monetization of ads. 75% of these developers were creators of casual games. One of the main findings showed that 57% of game developers surveyed agreed that ads can actually improve the user experience and aid in retention. Sentiments about ads hasn't always been this positive. But today, more players see ads as a positive experience within the game. This is especially true when you have a quality ad network and player-friendly ad formats. Rewarded video, playables, and interstitial formats can all be used in ways that are friendly to the user experience and retention. Now, we'll talk about some of the game success factors you should be aware of. Based on examples from a variety of publishers, the most successful casual games are first, fun to play, simple to understand, easily resumed, and are forgiving. They are the games you pick up easily the first time you try them and you don't want to put down. But when you need to stop and start, you can. You also don't die easily in the gameplay, and you can progress from one level to the next level without a ton of gaming expertise. Casual games are perfect for commuters on a bus or train, or someone who just wants to have fun on an app during a random break in their day. Rewarded video has been revolutionary at improving the player experience because it puts the player in control and offers a clear value exchange. 79% of developers surveyed feel that rewarded video is their most successful format. Here's what some of these developers surveyed have to say about using rewarded video to balance the use of ads versus in-app purchase in gameplay. The users feel validated and rewarded. Rewards need to be balanced to maintain interest. And users understand the value in exchange for watching a video ad. In addition to using player-friendly formats, other critical factors to ad monetization success include frequency and design. So let's look at some of these best practices. The exact number of ads you should show during gameplay will vary depending on the game and your monetization mix. So instead of giving you a number, let's talk through the factors to consider. In addition to choosing the right ad formats, think about the average number of sessions per day, the average session length, the average number of levels a user can complete per session, type of gameplay, balance of rewards and ads versus in-app purchase. A/B testing ad frequency is the best way to understand optimum ad impression while still maintaining positive user experience. Across the globe, 3 types of rewards stand out as being preferred compensation for watching an in-game ad. These are virtual currencies, magnifiers for earnings, and random rewards. But preference vary by country and region as shown here. This presents an opportunity for games to tailor ads and incentives in order to match players' preferred rewards. For games that primarily monetize through in-app purchases, implementing a mixed monetization model can have a great effect beyond retention by growing a diverse user base of players and non-payers. This presents further opportunity to monetize. When implementing a mixed monetization model, 65% of developers agreed that ads add incremental value and are complementary to in-app purchases. Rewarded video was used by 79% of developers when using ads as part of a mixed monetization approach. And finally, we have your return on investment. Beyond integrating ads successfully, we know that for a full picture of ROI for your game, you want to look at player lifetime value. While every publisher has a slightly different formula for this, some of our successful clients will look at factors like expected life cycle of your game, marketing and acquisition cost, expected number of organic players, numbers of players over 30, 60, 90 days and beyond, ARPDAU, which means average revenue per daily active users, and country and subgenre. Of course, acquisitions and monetization will vary for different countries if your game has a global reach, but you should keep these factors in mind. To wrap everything we've shared with you today, there's significant growth opportunity with casual games. With a good understanding of the features and success factors, now is the time to build casual games thoughtfully. With an increasing global market for these games, now is the time to grow your reach internationally. And with today's player-friendly ad formats like rewarded video, interstitial, and playables, now is the time to monetize. There's significant potential for incremental ad revenue with high eCPMs, all while balancing gameplay, maintaining your in-app purchases revenue, and maximizing retention. Thanks for tuning in today. To learn more about how you can supercharge your game's growth, please visit the Facebook Game Developers Showcase page on Facebook Audience Network's website.